Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I'll share proof in which Muhammad Qasim claimed himself as Imam Mahdi, also disrespect Allah Almighty, disrespect religion Islam, and also misguiding the Muslim Ummah. And I request all of the people to share this video as much as they can so that people should know about the reality of Muhammad Qasim Abdul Karim. So first of all, watch this video.
वो मेरे साथ हो रहा होता है। ट्रेन में कुछ लोगों को लेके ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम के पास उनको ज्वाइन करने के लिए जा रहा होता हूँ और रास्ते में याजूज माजूज बाहर निकलते हैं, तो उनको मैं अल्लाह के नूर से जो है ना वो मारता हूँ।
He's saying that he saw in the dream he is marching towards Hazrat Isa alayhi salam with his army, and on his way he met Yajuj Majuj and he killed them with the noor of Allah. Now if you do research, it's mentioned in ahadith and history of Islam that these are the signs of Imam Mahdi. Imam Mahdi will come and join Hazrat Isa with his army and kill Yajuj Majuj. Now watch this video.
अल्लाह कहता है कि कासिम, जो वादे मैंने तेरे साथ किए हैं मैं उनको पूरा कर दूंगा, और अगर मैं अपने वादे ना पूरे कर सका तो मैं तमाम जहानों का बादशाह नहीं। 2005 के बीच में इस तरह के बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रीम्स आए, दज्जाल, ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम, याजूज माजूज और साइन ऑफ क़यामा। मेरा कभी ध्यान ही नहीं गया कि अल्लाह के वादे ये भी हो सकते हैं।
Now he is saying that in dreams whatever he is saying, Allah promised him that one day it will become true. I have already shared the dreams with you that he's claiming that he will be the one who will be playing role of Imam Mahdi, and he is giving the false statement that Allah promised him that one day this all dreams will come true. He disrespected religion Islam by claiming himself Imam Mahdi, because Imam Mahdi will be the last Imam and all messengers of God will pray behind him, and he's claiming by his dreams that he's the one who will be the playing role of Imam Mahdi. Now next point is he disrespected Allah Almighty. Watch this video.
जनवरी 2014 में अल्लाह ने मुझे एक ख्वाब में बताया कि कासिम, मैंने उस लड़की के ज़रिए तेरी 20 साल आजमाइश की। मैं देखना चाहता था कि तू अल्लाह की रहमत से मायूस होने वालों में से तो नहीं है।
Now he's saying that Allah examined him with a girl who he had a relationship for more than 20 years. But what Allah says in Quran, that relationship with a girl without having a marriage is haram and prohibited in Islam. He is giving false statement that Allah himself involved him in the haram relationship for 20 years. His dreams are totally opposite to the orders given by the Allah Almighty and totally opposite to the Quran and Sunnah. Now the last point is he is misguiding the Muslim Ummah through his dreams. Watch this video.
ये जो ड्रीम्स हैं ये जो सच्चे होंगे यही वो रिवॉर्ड होगा मुसलमानों के लिए भी और जो ड्रीम्स खिला रहे हैं उनके लिए भी।
Now he's saying that Allah told him in dreams that Qasim, your dreams are the rewards for the Muslim Ummah, and whoever will share your dreams, I will reward him. This is the clever advertisement of his dreams, and this is the reason that people are sharing his dreams and people are shouting outside that he will be the Imam Mahdi. I hope these all proof will gonna help you in the investigation against Muhammad Qasim Abdul Karim.